What's up, people? Eric here. This is the third installment in my Python tutorial um, playlist, and what we're going to be focused on here is getting information from the user. So basically, you need to really understand if you want an integer from your user or if you want a string. Um, and we've explained that in our first tutorial, so if you haven't been there, let's go back to that, or else you're going to be completely lost. But for those who have been keeping up, basically what you do is if you want to ask the user a question like, what is your favorite color? Um, as a programmer, you want to, if you're going to show your code to different programmers, it wouldn't make sense for you to write something like this. Dragon equals raw underscore input. What is your favorite color? And it's what makes sense because anyone who would look at this, even you don't have to be a programmer, anyone that would look at this would say, why are you defining um, your variable is something that completely has nothing to do with what you're looking for? I mean, wouldn't it make more sense if you defined your name as, say, I don't know, color? Sure. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so we're asking the user, what is your favorite color? Okay, so I don't know about you, but I really like the color blue, so I'm going to enter blue. Okay, so right now, we know that, from my first installment of the Python playlist, we know that color is now blue because we store that inside of that variable. So that's basically how to ask the user for a string. So raw underscore input, parentheses, and the double quotes. That's pretty much the formula for that. So let's focus on integers. Now you can do the same thing with you can do raw input and you can type in a number like this, but if you want to, if you do that, you're gonna have to convert strings if you want to add the numbers ever. So if you know for sure it's not gonna have to be a string or whatever. It'd be more tedious anyway if you make it a string. So if you want to be more like precise and whatnot, and also for the programmer to see that you're asking for information which is an integer, but you're using raw input, I mean that's sort of confusing in itself. But so yeah, we're gonna use input, and we're gonna say hallelujah. Okay, and we're gonna define this as age, not dragon, because that won't make sense. Well, I happen to be 34. So age is now 34, as color is now blue. So yeah, that's basically the premise. I want to keep this short because I don't want to make tutorials seem as if they're long and intimidating. So I want to keep all my tutorials short from now on. Because the first one's 7 minutes long, that's sort of scary, and I want to stay far away from that sort of reputation. So thank you so much, and thanks for watching. Thanks.